Sincerely speaking, to be candid and to be frank with ourselves, Nigeria is seriously bleeding. Nigeria is seriously bleeding. See, more check this thing together. Let me quickly read out this news line to you guys and see if it is proper, if it should continue going this way. Let's check together. I don't talk am tire say na police oga dem be the real bad people, but una no dey hear. Instead, una dey follow politicians waka up and down. Dey beat people wey dey talk make Nigeria better. Na so una take treat me that time, beat me well, disgrace me, but now make una see una life. I'm coming, I will still tell you guys who is saying this, and I believe you already know. Let's read along together. They don't use una finish. Now them they dump policemen and women for gutter like dirty. Them dash on poverty as thank you for una services. Just look am, man and woman wey dey risk life every day. Una dey stand for rain, they faced armed robbers, kidnappers, bandits, and even terrorists. On top that, una go still dey follow oga and him wife up and down, carry their children go private school, guard party for them, but una own children no even fit go ordinary public school. People that are protecting our life. Àwọn aláàbò wa, àwọn tó ń dáàbò bo dúkìá àti ẹ̀mí wa. Is it supposed to be? I dey come. If una die for duty, na to pursue una family from barracks sharp sharp. If care no dey, dem go even collect your wife join. After 35 years of work, na small pension dem give una. Money wey no fit even buy one bag of cement. But look IG, look president, look senator. Dem see how dem dey chop life for here. Na dem go tell una say make una manage here, say reward go come for heaven. Who does that? If una no fit rise now, come out from this slavery, na una fault be that. I don't talk my own finish. Suffer for what? Enjoy for heaven, na that kind mumu life una want. Make police self protest. This suffer too much. I want more we leave entertainment this morning. More we face reality. More we check and balance some things. We be the border our life. We be the torment people's life, especially people that are assigned to be taking care of our lives and properties in this country. Normal, as me I dey view am, e no suppose dey go like this. E no suppose dey go like this, because it is very, very wrong when we say we have problem of bandits, terrorism, kidnappers here and there, and the people that are supposed to be facing these challenges to help us eradicate and curb all this problem emanating from different angles in Nigeria are still the same people that are struggling to get paid for their service. Along this Nigeria, we like, I don't know how it sounds. I don't know how it is even possible to decode this kind of nonsense that police needs to protest before they can get their life balance, before they can be happy as a first person. It is not making any sense. We can't just continue this way. Omoyele Sorobore, that activist that we all know, that man of the people that always say the truth and stand by it, is the one saying this. This is not the kind of life police are supposed to be living. Anybody that is risking their own life leaving their family behind, leaving their properties, leaving everything that belongs to them to take care of the community, to take care of our country, to make sure that we are living peacefully, to make sure that all our belongings and properties are being protected. Now that same people and government go still dey suffer them to get their money. After many years in service, they don't try, they don't suffer, they don't go here and there, they don't do a whole lot of things. To get their pension again, go still be wahala, go still be problem. I think our leaders need to understand what those how do I put it? Those books that they say they are following, the Muslim them where they read Quran, and the Christian among them where they study Bible. They need to know the real teaching, the real meaning of that scripture that they said they are reading. Fear of God must be our mind. We need to value people's life and respect people. If you have the chance or opportunity to be in a position, that does not mean every other person are animals, and not to live good life just like you. We are not asking for much. It is very wrong in a given community or country or any region for the people who are protecting lives and properties to be suffering for their payment, to be getting peanuts. So we are still the same people that are complaining about this police because they were extorting people here and there, taking everybody as Yahoo boy. If they dress you that you look nice or you stand fit, they'll be saying we need to see what you have in your bag, even though you don't have any problem. Because we continue complaining and we think this should be corrected. Now they are now finding it difficult now to get their money and to live a very good life for themselves. How many minutes, how many seconds are they having with their family? That little seconds that they have, they should enjoy it. Their children should go to school and be happy as well. I beg, waiting on us sit to this. I beg, let me share this talk. Let me comment. Let me like this video and subscribe to Haaaa TV. Is it supposed to continue like this? It's not supposed to be. God bless you. Thank you, my people.